Looking to tackle plumbing projects without breaking the bank? Today, we're counting down 10 of the best plumbing tools you can grab on Amazon, all under $20. Whether you're a DIYer or just want to be prepared for emergencies, these budget-friendly tools will save you time, money, and frustration. Let's dive in. Number 1. Meet the Superstars Pipe Reamer Tool, your go-to solution for clean, professional pipe finishes without the hassle. Designed with 4 sharp alloy blades, this compact tool quickly removes burrs from both the inner and outer edges of pipes, giving you smooth connections every time. No more leaks, no more rough cuts, just precision. What makes it even better is its wide compatibility. Whether you're working with copper, PVC, PPR, brass, aluminum, or even stainless steel, this reamer handles tubing sizes from 1/4 inch up to 1 5/8 inches with ease. Built from durable alloy steel, it's tough enough to last through countless projects while still delivering reliable cutting performance. The round ergonomic grip keeps your hand comfortable, reducing fatigue during long plumbing or HVAC jobs. Affordable, efficient, and versatile, this tool is a must-have for plumbers, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts who want quick, precise pipe preparation every time. Number 2. Next up is the Bates Ratcheting PVC Pipe Cutter, a tool that makes cutting plastic pipes quick, clean, and effortless. Built from tough manganese steel, it offers high hardness and durability, so you can rely on it for repeated use without wearing down. The real star here is the ratchet mechanism. Instead of struggling with manual force, the ratchet design lets you slice through PVC, PX, and other plastic pipes with just a few presses, saving both time and energy. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The fish-shaped, rubber-textured handle provides a secure grip that reduces strain during longer jobs. Safety and storage are also built in. A stainless steel buckle at the bottom locks the handles together, preventing accidental injury and saving space in your toolbox. Whether you're a seasoned plumber or a DIY beginner, this cutter's smart design makes pipe cutting simple, precise, and stress-free. Number 3. Now, let's look at the 1/4 to 1 inch depth and diameter gauge tool, a clever little multitasker that every DIYer and plumber should keep on hand. This tool covers 6 common pipe sizes, from 1/4 inch up to 1 inch, making it perfect for measuring insertion depth and outside diameter with accuracy. But it's more than just a measuring tool. It also doubles as a removal tool for push-to-connect fittings and valves, saving you from fumbling with extra gadgets. Using it couldn't be easier. Just insert the pipe into the hole to measure, or gently push into the diameter slot to release fittings in seconds. Made from durable, lightweight plastic, it's sturdy enough for repeated use yet easy to carry around. Compatible with copper, PVC, CPVC, PPR, PX, and even aluminum pipes, this versatile gauge is a practical solution for quick fixes at home, workshops, or on the job site. Number 4. Coming in next are the Black Plus Decker Slip Joint Pliers, a true essential for any toolbox. Built with drop-forged steel, these pliers are tough, durable, and ready to handle everyday plumbing and repair jobs. The slip-resistant tongue and groove design ensures a tight grip on pipes, nuts, and fittings, so you can work with confidence even on stubborn parts. Comfort is also a priority here. The oil-resistant, double-dipped grips feel secure in your hand and reduce strain during longer tasks. Thanks to their low-profile design, these pliers easily fit into tight spaces where bulkier tools struggle, making them perfect for plumbing repairs under sinks or in cramped corners. And with both 8-inch and 12-inch sizes included, you'll have the flexibility to tackle small precision jobs or larger, heavy-duty tasks. Affordable, reliable, and versatile, these Black Plus Decker pliers are a must-have for DIYers and professionals alike. Number 5. Next on our list is the Broken Pipe Extractor Tool, a heavy-duty lifesaver for tough plumbing jobs. This versatile 3-in-1 tool works as a broken pipe extractor, an internal pipe wrench, and a nipple extractor, giving you 3 specialized functions in one compact unit. Built from hardened 40 CRV steel with a corrosion-resistant coating, it's designed to withstand heavy use while delivering reliable performance year after year. What makes it stand out is its wide compatibility. Whether you're dealing with PVC, CPVC, PX, or traditional metal pipes and valve fittings, this tool handles them all with ease. The optimized leverage system means you don't need excessive force, just steady pressure to remove rusted bolts, damaged threads, or stuck fittings quickly. Perfect for professional plumbers and DIY homeowners alike, this extractor saves time, effort, and frustration, making it an essential addition to any plumbing toolkit. Number 6. Now, let's talk about the WorkPro 1/2 inch copper tube compression sleeve puller, a tool designed to make valve replacement and pipe repairs faster, cleaner, and safer. Compatible with standard 1/2 inch copper compression sleeves, this puller is perfect for showers, sinks, dishwashers, and toilets. Its biggest advantage: it removes ferrules, nuts, and compression sleeves without cutting into copper or supply lines, protecting both pipes and walls from damage. Even if the fittings are corroded or frozen, the tool's smart design makes removal smooth and effortless. The bullet nose tip prevents slipping and fits into tight spaces, while the notched end and T-bar handle give you precise control. Just align, rotate, and pull. The sleeve comes off quickly with minimal effort. Durable, efficient, and damage-free, this WorkPro puller is a must-have for plumbers and DIYers who want reliable results without the mess of cutting pipes. Number 7. Up next is the HotMech 4-way Silcock Water Key Set, a compact, multifunctional tool that packs a lot of versatility into a small design. This set includes 2 keys, a silver Silcock key with a handy chain and a black utility key, both featuring a 4-in-1 design. Each key is compatible with stems in a 1/4 inch, 9/32 inch, 5/16 inch, and 11/32 inch, while the utility key also offers square, triangle, and round shapes for broader use. Made from durable zinc alloy with nickel plating, these keys resist corrosion and hold up even in tough environments. They're lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for emergencies, like accessing water from outdoor spigots or utility connections on buildings. Beyond plumbing, they can also be used for radiators, valves, elevators, and more. Simple, sturdy, and versatile, this 2-piece set is a practical addition for homeowners, handymen, and professionals alike. Number 8. Next up is the Jam Bar Toilet Tool, a clever solution for one of the most frustrating plumbing problems: spinning toilet bolts. Designed for 1/4 to 5/16 inch bolts, this tool locks them firmly in place so you can install or remove nuts without the bolt turning endlessly. The dual V-tooth design grips bolts securely, meaning you'll spend less time struggling and more time finishing the job. Built from durable stainless steel, it's tough enough to withstand wet environments and frequent use, without corroding or bending. Comfort is also built in. The anti-slip silicone sleeve ensures safe handling and a stable grip, even in tight spaces behind toilets or under sinks. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY homeowner, this tool saves effort, improves efficiency, and makes toilet repairs far less stressful. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, the Jam Bar is a true plumbing essential. Number 9. Now, let's check out the Enhan Faucet Seat Wrench, a simple yet powerful tool that makes faucet maintenance quick and easy. Designed as a replacement for the Danco 80439, this wrench is compatible with most faucet compression seats thanks to its universal 2-sided configuration. One side features a square head, the other a hexagonal head, so it fits securely into the recess of different seat designs across various brands. Built from durable steel, it's tough enough to handle repeated use without bending or breaking, giving you long-lasting reliability in your toolkit. Using it is straightforward. Whether you're a professional plumber or a DIY homeowner, this wrench simplifies the process of removing and installing faucet seats, saving time and effort. Regular maintenance with this tool helps prevent leaks and ensures smooth water flow, making it an essential addition for keeping faucets in top condition. Number 10. Last but definitely not least, we have the ThinkWork Inside Pipe Cutter, a smart solution for cutting pipes in tight spaces. This innovative tool features an integrated hex shank with a built-in measurement scale, so you can measure distances accurately without needing a separate ruler. The guide disc, supported by a smooth bearing, keeps everything aligned for precise, flush cuts inside the pipe. With 6 included blades ranging from 22 mm to 50 mm, plus a large 3-inch guide disc, it's versatile enough to handle a wide range of pipe sizes. Installation is quick and straightforward. Just follow the manual, making sure the printed side of the blade faces you. To use, attach the blade to the shaft, insert the shank into a 3/8-inch drill, and cut clockwise from low to high speed. Made from durable stainless steel and high-strength HHS blades, this cutter easily slices through PVC, ABS, and even wood, making it a reliable choice for both pros and DIYers.